Stop paying for streaming. Here is how to claim your Apple TV Plus free trial on your smart TV or console in just 3 simple steps. Welcome back to System Sleek Guides. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Head to your smart TV's app store. Whether it's Samsung, LG or Android TV, download the Apple TV app and open it. Once launched, navigate to Settings and select Sign In. If you don't have an Apple ID yet, you'll need to create one first at appleid.apple.com. Step 2 is linking your account. Scan the QR code on your screen with your phone to avoid typing passwords with your remote. Finally, Step 3. Claim your offer. Most smart TVs will present a 3-month promotional banner immediately after you sign in. Accept the trial and confirm your billing info. Remember, you can cancel immediately and still keep your access for the full period. Console users often get even better deals. On PlayStation 5, look for the Apple TV app in your media gallery. Sony frequently partners with Apple to offer extended 6-month trials. Just open the app and sign in to see if you're eligible. Xbox users aren't left out either. Go to the Microsoft Store on your Series X, S, or Xbox One and search for Apple TV. You'll typically find a 3-month trial offer right on the app's home screen. Follow the same linking process to activate it. Keep in mind the fine print. You usually have 90 days from a new device purchase to claim these deals, and it's 1 trial per family sharing group. These trials auto-renew at the full price, currently $10 a month. Set a reminder or cancel early in your Apple ID settings. To recap, install the app, link your account, and confirm the trial to start watching your favorite shows for free. If this guide saved you money, hit that subscribe button for more high-value tech tutorials from System Sleek Guides. I'll see you in the next one.